Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Crunchyroll on Firestick. Quick guide step by step clearly. To activate Crunchyroll on your Firestick, begin by turning on your Firestick device. Navigate to the main menu and select the search option. Type in Crunchyroll using the on-screen keyboard. From the search results, highlight the Crunchyroll app and select it. Click the Get or Download button to start downloading the app. Once the download is complete, open the Crunchyroll app. You will see a login screen or an option to create a new account. If you already have an account, select the Login option. Enter your email and password to sign in. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. After logging in, you will see an activation code on the screen. Open a web browser on your computer or smartphone. Visit the URL provided in the app. You will be prompted to enter the activation code. Type in the code from your Firestick. Once entered, click the Activate button. A confirmation message will appear, indicating successful activation. Return to your Firestick, and you should now have access to Crunchyroll content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.